In this video, you'll learn how to host your website on Firebase completely for free with professional speed, security, and global performance. First, go to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Add Project, give it a name, and follow the quick setup wizard. Firebase's free Spark plan gives you generous hosting limits at zero cost. Next, install the Firebase CLI on your computer by opening your terminal and running npm install gfirebase.tools. Then type Firebase login to connect your Google account directly from the command line. Now, navigate to your website's folder and run Firebase init hosting. Select the project you just created, set your public directory, usually public, build, or dist, and configure it as a single-page app if needed. Once everything is ready, just run Firebase deploy. Within seconds, Firebase uploads your files and gives you a free live URL hosted on Google's global CDN with free SSL and HTTPS included automatically. Finally, if you want to add a custom domain, open the Firebase console, go to the Hosting tab, and click Add Custom Domain. Follow the DNS steps, and your site will be connected in minutes, still completely free. And that's it. Your website is now live on Firebase. Fast, secure, and hosted for free on Google's infrastructure.